Guangzhou Xinghe Aluminum Composite Panel Company Limited was established in 2001. 13,000 square meters of manufacturing area, superior in location and convenient in transport. We introduce international advanced technology and new production equipment. Supply the series of quality guarantee aluminum composite panels with competitive price to our widespread users. We established a set of strict quality assurance system, successfully passed ISO 9001 and 2008, and obtained SGS test report. Our raw material meet with the KYNAR 500. The warranty period can reach 10 years for PE coating series, 15 years for PVDF series. Our products have been exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, Europe. Why choose us? Xinghe is famous for its quick delivery, various models and colors. Our sales cell phone keeps 24 hours working. Whenever we can provide you with pre- and after-sales service. We can recommend hot sale specification according to different market for the wholesaler. Explain the installation method in detail for the project contractor. Friendly relationship with a shipping company can apply for the best freight and deal with any emergency efficiently. Offer the free translator to our old customer during their visit in Guangzhou. Welcome to visit us.